Now, a 15-year-old pupil has been charged with one count of murder at the Alexandra Magistrate's court. This after he allegedly stabbed another pupil to death at the Pholoso Secondary School on Monday. The matter has been postponed to the 8th of September. Reporter Lindokuhle Xulu is following that story for us and joins us now for an update. Lindo, thanks for making time. What happened in court today?
Well, rightfully so, Clement, you are right in saying that the case has been postponed to the 8th of September. This after the 15-year-old suspect alleged to have stabbed and killed Mgayi, the 16-year-old grade 8 pupil from Pholoso Secondary High School. Today appeared for the first time, in fact, at the preliminary court. What we understand at this stage, because we were not able to get inside court, we were not able to record proceedings or even be part of that. It is because the suspect is a minor, so Child Justice Act then comes in. But I can tell you that this case, we understand from the National Prosecuting Authority that it has been postponed for the 8th of September, and it will now be appearing at the Children's Court, or as it is called now, at the Child Justice Court. But I can tell you that, as you rightfully said again, the minor will be facing charges of one count of murder, because there is one person that has passed on, Mgayi, the 16-year-old, as I said. But I can tell you that the information we are getting is not necessarily from us being able to be part of the proceedings because of the Child Justice Act, and even more difficult now because it will be at the Child Justice chambers. I can tell you that the information we will only be getting that information from the National Prosecuting Authority. Quite difficult to track this case in terms of what exactly happened. But I can tell you, even from the community itself, there are still questions as to what exactly led to that particular fight, which ultimately saw someone going out of the school premises, coming back to the school premises and stabbing a 16-year-old, a fellow pupil. That is the information we are getting at this stage. But of course, these information are verified when the court proceedings continue, where we hear some of the affidavits from the defense as well as the prosecution in terms of the investigation by the investigating officer. But it is some detail that we will not be able to hear ourselves directly. But one thing I can certainly tell you is that the National Prosecuting Authority in Gauteng will be the one that is updating us in terms of what happened. And at this stage, it is a postponement, and it will be transferred to the Child Justice Court on the 8th of September.